Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and today in the news we have TrendForce. TrendForce is a company that actually looks at different numbers for market share and sales of devices, including smartphones. And they gave out their report for Huawei smartphones for 2021. 2020, we can say, it started in 2019, but 2020 was the year where Huawei was pretty much banned everywhere, and they had a lot of difficulty even getting parts. We, of course, have seen that they already in 2020 had a big, steep drop in sales of smartphones and devices. Huawei is also a big supplier of 5G technology, and it's getting pushed out of pretty much every market. So TrendForce, of course, looking at the sales of the different phones, Samsung, Apple's iPhones, and so on, says that we should see a very big, huge decline of Huawei smartphones in 2021 because of what's happening. Huawei was becoming one of the big players out there before all of this started, and it was interesting to see how it was actually getting a lot of market share from every other companies. And now with what's happening, well, I guess it's disappearing slowly. I wouldn't be surprised that by the end of 2021, Huawei might actually not even be a shadow of what it was before. It's going to be a very small company suddenly, as it's losing ground to pretty much every country around the world now. So we'll be looking at that, if there's a reversal of decisions or not, depending on what's happening. But right now, it looks like Huawei's future is pretty much a future down the drain. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.